Even if we didn't have as much water damage, we still lost commissions for a while, said business owner Sally Finnemore. Residents of the Mills building who had been evacuated were allowed to return to their homes on Tuesday night.
Flooding struck in several Massachusetts communities during downpours on Tuesday, prompting the MBTA to halt service on the Green Line of the D branch and, in some cases, stranding cars on flooded roadways. In addition to the risk of tornadoes, severe storms brought rainfall rates of more than 1 inch per hour to some communities during the morning hours. As of 11:50 a.m., nearly 8 inches of rain was estimated in areas near Lawrence. Street flooding there prompted the Registry of Motor Vehicles to announce that some road tests at the Lawrence Service Center are being rescheduled. Videos from the city showed cars and people attempting to move through some of the flooding. Approximately 2.7 inches of rain fell in Westport in 1 hour, Storm Team 5 reported. In Needham, 2.09 inches fell, and in Lawrence, 2.06 inches was reported. A construction crew, working on water control measures along Montvale Avenue in Stoneham, pulled a woman from her vehicle after it became stuck in flooding in the area. Fire department officials said the workers carried the woman to safety. In Needham, the exit 35 off-ramp from Interstate 95, Route 128 to Highland Avenue was closed because of flooding. Several cars were seen stuck in the water on the ramp, which is just outside the WCVB studio, at approximately 10:30 a.m. The fire department responded to help the drivers safely out of their cars. Flooding also impacted the MBTA, which announced the Griggs Street station along the B branch of the Green Line was temporarily closed because of flooding. That station reopened around noon.
The rainfall just a day after a series of storms hit the East Coast, killing at least 2 people while nearly 1 million people were without power. The tornado made landfall in Mattapoisett, Massachusetts.
No!